Understanding the phrase, "That's rich," an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, "That's rich." This phrase is commonly used in conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this interesting expression. "That's rich" is a phrase often used to express irony or disbelief in response to someone's statement or action. When you say, "That's rich," you're typically implying that the person's statement is hypocritical or ironically amusing, given the circumstances or their background. It's like saying, "Wow, that's quite a statement coming from you." Let's look at an example. Person A, "I can't believe he's late again. Some people have no respect for others' time." Person B, "Knowing person A is often late. That's rich, coming from you." In this example, person B is pointing out person A's hypocrisy in a subtly sarcastic way. This phrase is used in informal settings and is often spoken rather than written. It's important to use it carefully, as it can come across as sarcastic or critical. Here are a few tips. Context is key. Make sure the situation warrants a bit of irony or sarcasm. Know the audience. This phrase is best used among friends or in a relaxed setting. Tone of voice. Your tone should convey light-heartedness to avoid offending someone. There are several expressions in English that convey a similar meaning to "that's rich." These include pot calling the kettle black, look who's talking, the thief rebuking the pickpocket. All these expressions highlight the irony or hypocrisy in someone's statement or behavior. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "That's rich," and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, understanding such expressions adds depth to your language skills and helps you connect better in social situations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.